given your comments about newspapers, may we assume that you're probably not going to buy the Omaha World-Herald?
I think that's a fair assumption, but that would probably be true regardless of my thoughts about newspapers because they're not going to sell. Charlie, have you got anything to add on any of those?
Well, that story about the World-Herald is interesting. The truth of the matter is that if Warren had been offered the Omaha World-Herald 20 or 25 years ago, he would have cheerfully bought it. And now he doesn't want it. And that isn't because of the economics.
That's true. Yeah, I mean, I have not been offered, never will be offered it. It's all, the ownership's all set. But what Charlie said is true. If it were still owned by an individual and they offered it to me. For economic reasons, I wouldn't want to buy it, and for other reasons, I wouldn't want to buy it.
Well, you wouldn't want to buy it now because your life would be less congenial afterward than before.
Yeah.
There'd be more people after you.
There'd be no plus in life to owning the World-Herald at all. And as Charlie said, that's probably not the way we would have thought 30 years ago. I know
Not at all.
No. I think we're right now. Number two.